Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best portable pellet smokers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Z GRILLS ZPG 450A Wood Pellet Grill. Here is the first product from Z Grill, designed to offer you the ultimate 8-in-1 grilling options. You can not just grill with this smoker, but barbecue, bake, roast, braise, smoke your needs. The grill works by burning the wood pellets to create heat and smoke to add good flavor to your food. It is one of the best pellet grills. This ZPG 450A is an updated version by Z Grill. It features robust marked steel construction, all-terrain wheels, as well as 2 adjustable feet. All these traits make it easy to relocate in yards. Also, you can adjust the feet if you're dealing with a somewhat uneven surface. However, its 15 pounds pellet hopper holds enough beads for long-lasting smoking sessions. Yet, it grants 450 square inches of cooking space that is enough compared to traditional grills. Number 2. Our second best pick is Green Mountain Grill's Davy Crockett Portable Pellet Grill Smoker. If you are looking for a great smoker for tailgating or camping, Green Mountain Grill's Davy Crockett is ready to put an end to your quest. The good thing about this portable wood pellet smoker is that there are some genuinely portable options and one of the perfect units for searing. Its legs can be bent, and it is just under 60 pounds in weight. Approximately 32 inches long, 16 inches wide, and 21 inches high, it will fit most car trunks and easily stove in trucks or SUVs. With the versatility, you will be able to use it at a power of 12 or 110 volts. Apart from this, the most important thing is that this grill is Wi-Fi enabled, and you can control it on an iOS or Android app. It ignites automatically too. The temperature can be adjusted from 150 degrees to 550 degrees Fahrenheit with 5-degree increments. With a Davy Crockett pellet grill smoker, you can cook the food wholly and accurately. Number 3. Our third best pick is Camp Chef SmokePro DLX Pellet Grill. The Camp Chef SmokePro DLX Pellet Grill Smoker is another great product that has become widely popular for its many features. This is available in stainless steel, black and bronze caps. With this, you will be able to enjoy the savory taste of smoky barbecue. This model is manufactured with a robust stainless steel body, being durable and resistant to corrosion. It is provided with 2 caster wheels that make it easy to carry. If we talk about its cooking surface, Chef SmokePro provides a total of 570 square inches of cooking chamber capacity. The smoker has a low 429-inch 2-rack and an upper rack, measuring 141 square inches in length. This includes a stainless steel temperature probe, a dual LED temperature control, and an automatic auger to feed the wood pellets. It also has a sensor meter to monitor your cooking temp. This allows the temperature to be maintained between 160 and 500 F. Its pellet feed area can hold up to 18 pounds of wood pellets, supporting fewer refills and longer smoking. This also includes innovative grease control and a lever system for ash clean and tank cleaning. A side shelf, sear box, and an electronic ignition system have been added for its comfort. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Traeger Grills Pro Series 575 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Take your cooking skills to the next level with this Pro 575 by Traeger. With a more definite temperature controller, D2 direct drive, smooth wheels, and strong body, it makes the Pro Series tackle any grilling call. This is built with a branded black lid and powder-coated steel. The versatility of this smoker lets you smoke at temps of 180 degrees and crank it up to 450 degrees. The natural airflow inside the grid allows you a convection dish so that you can bake a pizza too. Furthermore, you don't need to babysit this, thanks to its Wi-Fi controller that changes the temperature, sets the time, and reaches thousands of Traeger recipes through the Traeger app. This Wi-Fi controller is also fitted with Google Home and Alexa devices. So, you have full control of the smoker in your hands. These Traeger Grills Pro Series also add a clean-out 18 pounds capacity hopper that allows you to reduce the smoke flavor while grilling fast. It also features storage tools for extra grill racks, a sawhorse frame, and a lift bar on the side of the pipe. All these allow you to move the grill easily around the yard. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Camp Chef PG24M ZG SmokePro Slide Smoker. Here's the last product from Camp Chef, the SmokePro Slide Smoker, that aims to be both a digital temperature grill and smoker. This pellet grill features a slide and grill technology that lets you switch between indirect heat and direct heat. It can also achieve 2 delicious flavor forms on one smoker. Plus, you will get an added folding front counter with it. It has an 811 square inches of cooking area. This is easy to use, and you can master the cooking, thanks to its new Gen 2 PID digital controller that issues 110 smoke levels. Also, it comes paired with an ash cleanout system that lets you leave ashes down into the cup by just drawing the lever. You can even clean out the tank by putting the pot on the hook and pulling the bar to clean out the hopper for a fresh flavor. The large capacity tank can hold 20 pounds of grain that let you fill one time and ignore it later. It comes with a meat probe and lid regulator. It allows you to check the internal heat of the meat on its dual LED display monitor. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.